In South Texas, along the coast, wind turbines such as this one can be seen for as far as the eye can see. Like a scene from a futuristic movie, they number in the thousands, with only the constant swooping sound of their blades. In relative silence they generate millions of watts of electric power. Ever since March of 2010, the state of Texas has been the largest producer of wind energy. Texas is also home to the largest single wind farm in the world. From the base level, this hub is 258 feet above the ground. This single hub has the capacity to produce enough energy to power over 1,500 homes on a windy day. It costs on average $3 million to build a wind turbine such as this one, and an additional $40,000 to $50,000 a year to maintain. A good quality modern wind turbine will generally last for 20 years, although this can be extended to 25 years or longer assuming the correct maintenance procedures are followed. However, the maintenance costs increase drastically as the structure ages. At about the 20-year mark, the wind turbine is no longer economically viable to operate. The wind turbine blades are made of fiberglass. Fiberglass is an epoxy resin mixed with strands of glass. It is a very strong material that is difficult to break down. This will generate its own non-green problems as these turbines near end of life, and must be disposed of. Though wind turbines are great for generating emission-free electricity during operation, they are not without their own unique environmental problems.